Hi everyone. Please subscribe. Please tell your friends. Okay, this video is a little bit more tweaked for the data detectives. And what we're going to talk about is box plots. Now the box plot is a visual representation of the 5-number summary. The 5-number summary is used a lot to describe how varied is your data. Meaning your data tends to have a variety of numbers, specifically a variety of numbers that is compared to the center. In this case, it's going to be the median. Box plots are very useful when large numbers of observations are involved and when 2 or more data sets are being compared. Sometimes when you have 2 box plots, you can tell the variety of data that is available between the 2 data sets. We're not going to do that in this video. This video is more kind of like, what does a box plot look like? And this is how it looks. It has a title, a label, title and a label. Here we go. Title, label. And it has a number line. You can see it doesn't start at 0. It doesn't have to start at 0. In this case, it looks like the data started at 50. And it ended up at somewhere around 225 perhaps. It also has some type of label that represents the x-axis. And then, because it's based on the 5-number summary, it has certain properties. So, for example, it has a minimum value. And you can see it also has a whisker right here. These are the whiskers. And then the box in the middle, it has Q1, which is the first quartile. And then over here, it has the median. And over here has Q3 over here, and then the max. So 5-number summary has a value of the minimum value. Looks like it's 50. And then it has a Q1 value, which is over here, which could represent something like, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 110. Over here we have the median, which could represent like something like 160 or something. Over here, Q3 value, right, seems like 200, and then over here is 225. You can see that the box plot floats on top of the x-axis. Okay, it doesn't touch the x-axis, and none of these labels are there. Sometimes you might label where Q1 is, Q3, the median, and so forth. Depends on your teacher. But usually it looks like this, and it's a pretty nice, clean interface. Also, you can see that again, that the box plot is floating and it's not touching. But we'll leave these here so you can see where are the whiskers and where's the box. You can see also that it has these vertical lines, as you can see that. Sometimes you draw these vertical lines where the 5-number summaries are, and then you can draw a box over it between Q1 and Q3, as you can see there, and then you draw the whiskers. All right. Try to draw it nicely, not so wavy. The nicer it is, the better you're going to represent, the data. Okay. All right. So hopefully that gives you an idea of how to draw a box plot. Enjoy drawing these box plots. There's also something where you can draw a box plot and an outlier. I have another video for that as well. Go ahead and check it out. Again, please subscribe. Please tell your friends, tell your teachers. There are a lot more videos out there in this channel. All right, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.